Understanding, resonating in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Language Pro Tips. In today's video, we'll unravel the meaning of a word that carries depth and emotion, resonating. We'll learn not just its dictionary definition, but also how to use it in conversations and writing to express connection and impact. So, stay tuned to add another gem to your vocabulary treasure. The term resonating is derived from the physical process of resonance, where sound waves amplify each other to produce a powerful echo. But in everyday language, resonating has a broader and more figurative meaning. When an idea, emotion, or memory resonates with someone, it strikes a chord in them deeply. Think of it as something that speaks to you or hits home. For example, when you hear a story that reflects your own experiences, you might say, "That story really resonated with me." Resonating can be used in various contexts. Let's break them down. 1. Emotional resonance. The speech about climate change resonated with the audience, leaving them profoundly moved. 2. Intellectual resonance. The theory resonated with many experts in the field, as it aligned with their observations. 3. Personal resonance. Her experiences resonated with mine, creating an instant bond between us. The word resonating is versatile. Here are a few related forms. 1. Resonance, noun. The novel's theme of resilience had a strong resonance with young adults. 2. Resonant, adjective. Her voice was resonant with emotion. 3. Resonate, verb. The company's commitment to sustainability resonates with its customers. To remember the meaning of resonating, think of a time when you heard your favorite song in a big, empty room, and how the sound filled the space around you. When something resonates, it fills your thoughts and feelings in a similar way. Here are some tips. Use it to describe situations where you felt a deep connection. Apply it when discussing ideas or messages that have a lasting impact. Share personal stories and ask your audience if it resonates with them to encourage interaction. I hope this video has resonated with you and enriched your understanding of how to convey depth in communication using the word resonating. Remember, language is not just about words, but the connections and emotions they evoke. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep resonating with the world around you.